It's the P1, folks, from iWownFit. It is an amazing sports and fitness watch. You have the ability to do free mode runs or any of these category optimized runs, monitoring your heart rate as well as your GPS distance. You can set flags to vibrate on a variety of different notifications. You can do the same thing for cycling, fast walking, and more. You have the ability to monitor your heart rate directly and your fatigue. And the fatigue is based off of that new concept of ECG, electrocardiograms, using electrodes on the watch on the bottom and also right here on the front where you touch and hold with this against your skin and you get the readings. Really powerful watch. It's from iWownFit. It's available right now, and it has the brightest screen of any I've ever seen. This is the lowest setting. Check it out. We got a full review on it.